Hi everyone, thanks for joining us today. This is Team Atlas and we are going to show you how can you register on Atlas and create your stunning business or professional website just in few seconds. So let's get into it. So once you go to the Atlas homepage, you will see the register option on the top right. Once you click on it, it will take you to a form. This is where you need to enter your details and register your business. For the purpose of demo, let's just put in any name and then you can click next. Then you need to put your business or company name. This could be anything. You can go ahead and change it later as well. I'm putting in ABC Fashion Private Limited for now. Then you need to put your business email address. It should be the email ID where you prefer to receive your business communications. Once you enter it, click next. Next, you need to enter your business profile name. This will be your unique username across Atlas and people will be able to search your business using that username. You can put whatever username you like and Atlas will tell you whether it is available or not. If the username is available, then next you need to enter the password. Make sure it is a strong password, just for the case of security. And then once you create account, you are ready to go. Make sure you save your password so that you don't need to enter it again on the same system. So this is what the Atlas dashboard looks like. As you can see, we have a toolbar on the right hand side to navigate quickly through various items. Main focus of this video will be to create your business or professional website quickly and then spread it across to your customers. On the main section, you can see the actual preview for your website. This is the default profile you guys will get once you'll create your account on Atlas. As you can see, it doesn't have much right now. We will add things to it step by step. As you can see, there are two buttons on the top. Once you click on open your website, you will be able to go to your original website. And this will be the web page which users will be able to see once they go to your website. Right inside, you can see the edit section where you can actually edit the name you want users to see on your website. There is a section for company logo below it. Then you have the toolbar color option where you can select and change the color of the toolbar of your website. And then you have the font color option where you can actually go and change the color as well. So as you can see, I'm changing the toolbar color to black. And once you change anything, it will take a few seconds to reflect. And as you can see, the toolbar color has changed to black. Similarly, you can change the font color as well, which appears on the top. I'm changing it to white. And once you change it, it will just wait for a few seconds and then refresh itself. And as you can see, the change is immediate. So as soon as you make any change, it will be available to everyone immediately. Next, we go to the home section. So this is where all the pages of your website will be visible. By default, there will be a single page available, which will be home. This will be the first page which people will be able to see. Once you click on the home section, it will show you a screen like this where you can go ahead and change what your home screen should look like. Basically, on your home screen, you can add a background image, you can add some text to it as well. We'll just change it in a minute. And once you click on publish, your changes will be saved and then it will be visible on your website to everyone. So let's say if I change the description to welcome to ABC Fashion. And as you can see, when you're making a change, you can actually see a preview of what that change will look like. And you can actually change where the text should be appearing, like whether towards the right or towards the left. And you have the ability to change the text alignment as well. And also you can change the vertical alignment as well. So as you can see, there are a lot of options to configure where you want to show your text on the main screen. And you can also change the font size as well. We'll choose medium for now. And then you can change the background image as well for the home section. Given we are creating a fashion store for demo purpose, we'll get a background image which is somewhat relatable. So once you change the image, you can see it in the preview. But now you can see the text is not quite visible. So what you can do is just go and change the text color. So we're making it white. So now you can see that it is much more visible. You can also increase the font color, font size as well. And we'll move it to the top so that it's much more visible. Now it looks much better. So once you click publish, the changes will be saved for your home section, and after a few seconds you should see a preview of how it looks like. Sometimes it might take a few more seconds to be uploaded given the if the image size is a bit higher, but you can always go and click on refresh, which is available. to basically see whether the change is available or not. So now we have refreshed, and as you can see, the change is saved and available on your website. And you can click on the open your website link and see how the website will look like as well. So as you can see, this is how you can easily manage your website. It is very configurable and the changes are visible in real time as well. So now we'll move a bit further and we'll try to show you like how many different kind of pages we have. Once you click on add page, you can see multiple types of pages which you can add to your website. We'll go through each of them one by one. So first one is the full page. This is similar to the home page which you added earlier. This contains a full size background image and you can add some text on it as well. This will cover the entire screen with that background image. The next is info page. This is slightly different than the full page. Here you will be able to select the image, but it will be appearing only on the 50% portion or half of the page. The other half will be covered by the heading or the other text which you add describing that image. Next is the text page. On this page, as you can see, it is a regular text page where you can just add a heading, and if you want, you can add some description to it as well, and it will appear on your website as in text format without any images. Next is the slides page. Here you can actually go ahead and create multiple slides which describes your business or your work or your products. As you can see, the slide is pretty basic. It has an image on the top, then you have a title, and then you have a description, and you can add multiple slides, as many slides as you want. We have add button to add multiple slides, and you also have buttons to reorder these slides as well. Next is the video section. This is the place where if you have any video describing your business or any related video content, you can easily paste the YouTube link of that video, and then that video will start appearing on your website. And the last one is for your team. Every company has a team of members who come together to bring business alive. This section is very similar to the slide section. We have the add button here to add multiple team members, and then you have the buttons to change the image, add the name, designation, details of that member, and then reorder them as well. So we'll first start off by creating a full image. So we already have a full image in form of the home page. Let's go and add another one. So for this, I'll try and select a different image which is related to my store. Then I'll try to add some text. Let's add best collection in town. Then just to make it more visible, we'll change the font color to white. Then you can go ahead and change where it should appear. You can easily change the alignment. As you can see here, it looks much better. Now if you want to show each word in one line, you can easily go ahead and edit it in the description. As you can see, the changes are visible in real time, and this is how it will look on your website. So yeah, this looks pretty good. Once you're done with the changes, you can go ahead and add a title to this page. For now, I'll just add it as page 2 and then click on publish. It will take a few seconds, and then once it refreshes, you will be able to see the new page. As you can see, just below the home, you can see another page. It might take some time if the image is of bit high quality, but you can anyways refresh it, and after a few seconds it should be definitely available. As you can see, after the refresh, the next image is also available. And it's always good to go and preview the full size website. Sometimes there might be differences in the actual preview and the original website, but we will recommend you to go ahead and check your original website as well. Let's now go ahead and create a text page. On a text page, you can add a heading and then a text about its description. Let's add a page called About Us, and then you can add any description about it. After that, you can change its color if you want to match the theme of your website. You can also change the description, whether it should appear straight or in italics, and you can also change the font color of the description as well. Yep, so as you can see in the preview, this looks pretty nice. And before publishing, just add a name to this page as well so that you can recognize it, and then hit publish. So this new page will be added at the bottom, as you can see, and this is how it looks like. Now you can easily reorganize the pages which you've created. So let's move About Us page above, and once you do that, the pages on your website will also reorganize, and you can see the About Us page above the page number 2 which you have added. So it's pretty easy to reorganize and change the structure of your website. Now let's go ahead and add some more pages. This time let's add a info page. As I mentioned earlier, in an info page you will be able to show some image in the half portion, and then you can add some text describing that image as well. Now for this demo, let's say given we have a fashion store, we will add a info about the t-shirts collection we have. So let's name this page as t-shirts, and then you can add a nice image matching the description, and then you can give any heading you want. So I will add high quality shirts, and in description let's add starting from $9.99. Also, you can choose whether you want to show the image on the right or left, and once you click on it, the contents will switch. For now, let's keep it to left. You can change the font to large as well and change the alignment, and then this looks good, so let's publish it. You can scroll down and see the live preview immediately, and let's quickly add few more pages here. Now suppose you want to just add a heading which clearly describes your upcoming pages. So what you can do is you can go to the text page and you can just add the heading. So for now, let's say we'll add a heading called our collection, and we'll just give it a name as well. So what this will do is this will just add a heading so that you can easily describe the upcoming few pages. Yeah, so this looks much better. Now let's quickly go ahead and add few more info pages about the products we have. When you want to make changes into an existing page, just click on it and it will show you the contents of it, and then you can go ahead and make changes and publish it. Okay, so we have added three info pages in our collection. Now let me tell you a little bit about menu. So a menu is used to group your pages together. You can add a menu. It will be visible on your header as well, on the top bar as well. So let's create a new menu and we'll call it our collection. once you create a menu, as you can see, it looks a little bit different than the normal pages. Once you create a menu, it will appear at the bottom, and as you can see, it will not be visible on the website. A menu is visible only if there is any page under it. So what we'll do is we'll drag our few pages and then keep it under collection, so that if someone clicks on the menu item on your website, it will only show those pages instead of everything. So as you can see, I'm adding all the collection related pages one by one, and you can see that once we have added some pages, the menu is also visible on the website. In the normal view, you will see all the pages, but once you click on our collection, it will show only the pages which are under this menu. Now let's go ahead and add few more pages. We'll move to slides. As you can see, you can create as many slides as you want and rearrange it as well. So let's say I wanted to move shirt to the first, and then as you can see, you can rearrange them as well. So this looks pretty nice. We'll just add some title to this page and we'll publish. So this is how your slides will look like. It will take initially a few minutes to upload all the images, but once they are available, you can see all the images in your slides. Now after the refresh, this looks much better with all the expected images. If the number of slides are more than 3, then it will automatically create a slideshow so that user can see all the images. And once you click on any slide, it will maximize and show you the details under it as well. It will show the description which you've added with each slide. Now let's add a menu to show this separately. We'll name this as new launch. And we'll move our slides to under new launch so that it becomes visible. Now you can see two options in the header. One is our collection, which we added earlier, and there is one more now which we have recently added. This has all your slides, and on the main page it used to appear like a slideshow, but on a dedicated menu page it will appear in a grid structure and people can see all your slides at once. Okay, now let's go ahead and add a video to our page. What you need to do here is just upload your video to YouTube and then copy its URL and paste it in here, and your video will be added to your website. We'll add another menu named demo to show the video separately so that anyone who wants, they can see that content directly from the header. Now let's go ahead and add our final page, which is team. This is very similar to the slides which you just added. We will just add some random team for now with some random images. So there you go, we have created our basic website, and as you can see, it is very easy to create. You don't need to be a web developer to create this sort of website, which looks very much similar to what you could have created from an experienced web developer. This looks very much similar to a professional website, and it's easy to manage as well. Now in this profile section, we have a home section, and then you have a product gallery. Once you click on it, it will take you to another page of your custom website where people will be able to see your products. Given this is a new business right now, we haven't added any products, so now let's go ahead and add few products. To add the products, you need to go to inventory and click on add product, and then to add a product, we usually select image to describe it. It helps user to understand what your product is. First you need to select an image, then you need to type its name, some details about it, like what tax percentage or tax bracket it will be part of. You can add multiple units for a product. Let's say if you want to sell 1 unit at a different price and 5 units at a different price, you can actually list different units. So for now, let's just add 1 unit of this hat, and let's say the price is 250. And since you've added the tax percentage as 12, it will automatically calculate and show you what is the unit price and what is the tax a user has to pay. So all you need to do is enter the final price including GST, and then in the end you need to mention the quantity which is in stock as well, so that people can order it only until it is in stock. Similarly, you can add multiple units as well. Let's say we want to sell 2 hats at a different price or a discounted price of 400. So once you enter the price, it will show you the tax breakdown as well, and let's say the quantity in stock is 3, and that's it. Your product is now added to the inventory, and once it is added, it will also show up on your website. So on the main page of your website, you will start seeing this Our Products button only if you have any products listed. So once you click on it, it will take you to the product section where people can actually go and see what products you have, and if they like your products, they can go ahead and add it to the cart and send you an order request. As you can see here, they are able to select both the units which you've added. Let's go ahead and add one more product. You can also add description to your products, and once you update it, the description will be visible on the products page as well, which customers can also see. Yeah, so that's it in this video. As you can see, you have created a full-fledged website for your business and looks pretty professional and neat. And you can share this with your customers. You can directly share the URL. People can go and check out your products, check out your website, and order it from there. And doesn't matter if you're a small business or a big business, if you don't want to pay extra bucks for a different website, you can use Atlas and create your professional looking website in just few minutes, like we did in this video. So thanks for joining us in this video, and we'll see you next time.